This Harlingen Homes property video is presented by Jacque Wright. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with 3-car garage Cano home sits on a little over half an acre. This property boasts an open floor plan with split bedrooms, tile flooring throughout, granite countertops, built-ins, an office/study, fireplace, gas stove and so much more. Also included is a reverse osmosis system, sprinkler system, security system and electric front gate. 2 of the bedrooms are connected by a Jack and Jill bath. A 3rd bedroom has its own private bath. The large master suite includes a beautiful master bath with double vanity, large walk-in closet, jacuzzi tub and separate shower. Outside, you will find playground equipment which will convey with the property with a cement fence in the back and privacy fence.